This segment is brought to you by the Southeastern Spine Institute.
Welcome to Southeastern Studios, where we learn about the latest medical technologies and sit down with physicians who are prominent in their field. All right, we're back again today with Dr. Richard Frisch from Southeastern Spine Institute. Thanks so much for sitting down with me.
Thanks for having me.
Now, you're going to tell me about some new technology today that you've been working with.
Sure. So a big focus of us here are doing less invasive or minimally invasive surgeries, and certainly technology advancements helps to drive a lot of that. And so really the concept is you're taking a problem that is fairly common or that's been dealt with for decades in spine surgery, and we're approaching them in ways that are more beneficial in terms of recovery and outcomes for patients.
Walk me through some of the problems that spine surgeons have had in the past.
Sure, and so with the advances in technology, it really allows us to focus on incisions that are much smaller, which is helpful for patients in terms of quicker recoveries, ideally less pain after surgery. And to achieve that, that's driven a lot by technological changes and advances. And we are fortunate here to be a part of that in helping to research and design a lot of those procedures. And we see the benefits daily as we move forward and advance. And those features include things from working with robotic technology to increase imaging technologies that allows us to really perform those procedures in a much more beneficial way for patients.
Now, talk to me about robotic technology.
Sure.
Does that help you be more precise? Or?
Yeah, so robotic technology has really started to become more popular in the last few years here. So the new robot really can help with patient outcomes because it can allow you to very precisely perform surgeries predictably, reproducibly, particularly when we're placing instrumentation into the spine.
And I can imagine that when you're operating on a spine, I don't know anything about surgery myself, but you've got to be precise.
Yes, precision is important. It's very important that that instrumentation is placed accurately, and the robot really helps to do that reproducibly in a more minimally invasive fashion.
What do you think sets Southeastern Spine apart?
Our team approach allows us to have different specialties of spine providers looking at problems together. We're all here in the same building. It allows us to collaborate together when the patient is here. So not only do we have all the providers here, but we have the ability to obtain all the imaging, whether it be MRI scan, whether it be x-rays, any additional testing, whether it be nerve studies. We're able to do injections here and increasingly more surgeries here, all under the same roof. So it really is hopefully a very efficient and time-friendly process for patients.
Which is very important whenever a patient is in pain.
That's right. That's right.
Now, tell me, what does it feel like to be able to have a patient come in that has back pain and then you're able to fix it and make them feel better?
Yeah, that's great. That's certainly the most rewarding part of what we do, which you could see that you're making an impact on people's lives and allowing them to get back to doing what they love to do or need to do, get back to their families and function again is very rewarding.
All right, Dr. Frisch, I'm going to let you get back to what you need to do, but if you guys want more information, you can go to southeasternspine.com. Join us next time with another segment from Southeastern Studios, and as always, you can go to southeasternspine.com for more information.